Hi guys, so today I want to show you guys how to draw these eyes on Adobe Fresco, which is the app I use for drawing. So here what's it gonna turn out as. I think they're really pretty. So let's start. Okay, so just make a new one and let's get started. I usually like using blue just because it's really easy. Make it slightly like half opacity. Okay. So if you're doing a character that is facing side, you should probably do not use symmetry, but if you want to do a straight in front one, symmetry can be helpful. So I'm going to turn that on. So start off first start by drawing some guidelines where you want the eyes to be. Now, these don't have to be good. But I like to make these less opacitated. And then put on another layer which is no longer guidelines. So start off by drawing the pupil. Now sometimes you have to make this long, which is okay. Nothing is set in stone for this. So after you do that, you kind of just do a start in the middle and just go up, over. After that, go down, and then try not, I don't like connecting down, but you can if you want. And if you do that, you just kind of draw kind of the brow, right? And then this. Now that looks good. Yeah. If you like it so far and like the video, to see more tutorials like this, comment. Now all you got to do is I start off by filling the whole eye with one layer. This can be helpful. You could turn your brush size up for this part. And then I'll leave the top bit you just colored in. And continue doing that down and down. So the bottom is darker. So after that, turn it back to normal. Now draw a pupil. And after you think the pupil looks good in the center, turn off symmetry. Then hard to guides. So sometimes you might see little dots like this. Just erase them, it's okay, because of the symmetry. So after this, if you want to add a highlight into your eyes, this is how I do it. So don't use symmetry for this part, or else the highlights will be on both sides, which will not be good. So just do this, add a little dot top, and do it on the same side instead of the opposite sides. This makes it look like the light source coming from one place. But if you think the highlight is too bright, you could just make it lighter using light blue or make it less, have the brush have less opacity, and just fill it in like that. So now it looks like a highlight, but it's not that bright. So after you have that done, you could leave it like this, or you could add brows. So for brows, I would turn back on symmetry if you are doing it symmetry-wise. But if you're doing side characters, I could put it on the tutorial if you want it and tell that in the comments. So, yeah, you could turn off the guidelines or off. It doesn't matter that much. So eyebrows are kind of worth playing around depending on what you want your character to kind of look like. Like for example, I usually have to mess around with them for a bit before I actually find one that I think I could use. So, like, mess around with it a bit. You could always erase on digital, but if you're using physical, you just use pencil, right? And after that, you just see I would usually turn symmetry off to see what you think it looks like. So test it out. And now finally, look at that. That's probably the finished product. You could move it up and add a nose and a mouth if you'd like, but I think I would just keep it like this for today. If you guys want a full face tutorial, you can also comment anything else I should do. But yeah, that's pretty much how to draw these eyes.